Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Hi everybody, welcome to my vlog. And for today's vlog, we're doing the ultimate chocolate TV cookies challenge. Is what's inside the box challenge. So I'm gonna show to the secret animation line. And what's inside the box challenge. And like my video, comment my video, no comments. Subscribe my video, click the bell button, just go out, in my videos, touch that like, yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna show you how I do the room tour. How to do the what's inside the box challenge. So first we do blindfold. And put our hands inside. I really don't know what's inside because it's all covered, so like purple and white. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're not yet started. So yeah, we put a hole. It needs to be the matching of our hands. And yeah, blindfold. And then we need a hole right there so everybody can see what we're doing. So let's start the video. And
sino kasama mo?
for everybody know already, my guess is Loreen Jimenez Hula. Hi guys, my name is. Can you go closely? Here. We're gonna do yeah, we colored it so pretty, so yeah. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Guys, we're gonna do the rock, paper, scissors, shoot on. Okay, ready?
Alright, kung sino yung matalo, siya yung unang maghula ng nasa baksa.
Comment first. I'm so scared. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Katelyn lose, so you're the first one who'll do the challenge. So,
Me?
yeah. Alright, so let's get started. In 3, 2, 1. And so, for our first item, ito yun na. Huhulaan ni Katelyn kung ano to, okay? Lalagay ko na siya sa loob ng box. Tan-tan-tan.
Okay, go.
Wala pa, Kling. Wala pa po. Wait lang, Kling. Wait. Not yet, Kling. Not yet. Don't touch it first. Ang daya ni Kling. Okay, so, you can now remove the ano. Alisin mo na yung ano. Yan. Oops, wag sisilip. Loreen, sa tabi ka niya. Alright, so, let's get started. Dalawang kamay.
It's relaxing. This is it. Slime.
No. 3 guess lang ah. Wrong yung slime.
What's something special? What's something like
Ah! Tingin mo, labas na yung item. Katelyn got the point. Yan yung next item natin kay Loreen. Quiet ka lang, Kling. Lagay mo na sa loob. Tanggalin mo siya sa plastic. Tanggalin mo sa plastic. Tanggalin mo sa plastic. Okay. Tan-tananan. At alis yan, Kling. Okay, you can now remove your blindfold. Alright, so are you ready, Loreen?
It's hard, it's hard.
Oh my gosh. Doon ka na sa tabi ni Loreen. Ala, kadiri!
Marshmallows!
It's cotton, bulak.
Oh no!
Tada sila.
It was...
It's just a bluff.
I thought it was supposed to be.
Tan-tanan.
It's just
Alright.
a
Katelyn's turn. Yan yung next item natin. Pakita mo, Loreen. Lagay mo na sa box, Loreen. Ayusin mo muna yung box. Ayusin mo muna yung box. Nakabalik ko.
Not yet ready.
Ang gitna mo.
Okay,
Alright, so ready ka na, Kling? What's inside the box? No peeking, ah. You can... What's that? Loreen, alis yan, di makita, oh. Ano yan? You can use 2 hands.
oh my god, you'll never guess it. Ice.
No. Daya. Mali na yung ice, ha? 1, maling wrong. Wala pa.
It's okay to run outside.
What's that? Pakaramdam. Oh, huwag mo ilalabas ang daya mo. What's that?
Oh my god, guys, she'll never know it. Sauce.
No, not sauce. Mukha pang sauce yan. Solid nga yan eh.
Solid. Tell me, what's some kind of...
Hulaan mo nga eh.
Okay.
Pangalawang mali ka na. Sabi mo kayo na ice siya ka sauce. Isa na lang. Talo ka na. Yeah, kinakawakan niyo na rin.
Huh?
Ew. What's that? Oh, hulaan mo. Ang daya mo. Hawakan mo, Kling.
Ice apple.
Apple? No!
No! It's lemon!
Akala niya talaga kadiri. Okay, Loreen Stern. Ikaw naman, Loreen, ha? Takpan mo na yung mata niyan.
Blind.
So, yan yung next item for Loreen. Lagay mo na, Kling, sa loob ng
I'm
box.
gonna tell you what's this, but chill. Is a rubber sound. Okay. Ready? Yeah, we're ready.
Right, go.
So scared.
Oh, no. Good luck.
I'm so scared.
Kling, hindi na makita. Go, Loreen. Ang daya mo naman, eh. Talo ka na naman! Talo ka na naman! Pakita mo, Kling, sa camera.
It's SpongeBob.
Oh, 1 point na si Kling. Ikaw, wala ka pang point, ah.
The next one. Ready?
So, this is the next item. It's, tanan! Lagay mo na, Loreen. Careful. Oh my gosh, baka lumipad yan, Loreen. Buhay pa yan, eh.
No, I don't want. I don't want. I don't
Wag mo. Ready? Get set. Go. Put your hands.
It's so scary.
Go na,
I'll
Kling.
never know, but I hope.
Mawawala mo yan. Try mong hawakan lang.
I'm scared. Ah!
What's that?
Oh my God, careful.
Oh, bawal silipin, Kling. Madaya ka. Doon ka sa likod ng box. Kabilang kamay ang gamitin mo.
No, I really don't.
Loreen, Neles.
No!
No, mali na yung goggles. Hawakan mo kasi hindi mo inahawakan eh.
This is
Ayan.
so stuck.
Ew, ew. Yak, kinawakan niya!
Oh,
What's that?
a lion dropper. No.
No, dalawa na mali mo ah.
That's a Loreen. Marshmallow.
Ah!
I'm very tired.
Nye, kinain. Alright, so Loreen, last chance mo na para magka-points. 2 points na si Kling.
Yeah.
Go! Ito yung next item natin.
Yeah.
Lagay mo na to, Kling.
It's an apple.
Lagay mo na, lagay mo na.
I won't let it dry.
Alright, so ready ka na ba, Loreen? Tanggalin mo na yung mask. Busin mo na muna yung marshmallow sa bibig mo.
Over there, over there.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Careful.
It's with the apple on it. Yeah. It's the apple. Do you even know? So scared.
Go, Loreen. Hindi mo pa nga hinahawakan eh.
Joke, joke. Yes. So scared.
Bayang Kling, Loreen, hindi mo pa nga hinahawakan.
I'm going to like a EP.
No, of course it's not ipis. So, walang hawakan ko yung ipis.
It's a world.
Loreen, you're so weak. Be strong. Siyempre, hindi ako maglalagay ng ipis dyan.
Okay, Loreen. Water heaven, please. I wanna get it. Oh, it's so scary to me.
Katelyn, yung ulo mo. Ah, sumisilip, sumisilip. Hawakan mo lang kasi isang beses kasi si Katelyn niya kanina, hinawakan niya isang beses eh.
So scared. I'm just moving it at the Loreen para ma-touch mo.
Go na, Loreen.
Okay.
Oh, sinisilip, sinisilip.
Lucky guess. I think shampoo.
No.
No, touch it first because.
Hindi pa ka nakahawakan. Go, Loreen. You can do it.
I'm gonna do it with this.
Ang arte mo naman.
Okay, I saw her touching it. I saw her that.
Ah!
Oh, it's so yucky. What's this? Wow, it's so good. Even scaring me. It's headband. No. It's this. It's this. Because touch something. There's a
Kling, natatakpa mo na yung camera.
Hey, Katelyn, move it here. Already. Move it here. I can't feel it. Come on. No, just go with more. We're gonna have to.
Ala, ayusin ko. I-move ko sa'yo. I-move ko sa'yo. Go.
That's scaring me.
Hindi mo siya maano pag hindi kamay mo humawak. Try mo, tanggalin mo yung ano.
If you don't touch it, then you will lose. Oh, look like Katelyn said. Kanina.
Ano?
If you don't touch it, you will lose. I don't know this. It's with a skin. With a skin.
Tanggalin mo kasi hindi mo mahuhulaan niya pag di mo hinawakan.
Because they Katelyn is the
Takot sila.
This is not creepy at all.
Hindi yan nakatakot, promise, Loreen.
Come on, Katelyn. I wanna have that. Come on. Give it to me. It's,
Wala na, lose ka na. 3 minutes na nakakalipas.
Hey. Then what is it? It's a marshmallow. What is it? No? Oops, no peeking. That's your doll. That's my doll.
Alright, Katelyn wins. Okay. Scaredy cat.
Scared cat. Guys, you already finished the challenge. So yeah, we're gonna see. So the winner is. Mommy, tell me.
Katelyn. Bawi ka na lang next challenge natin, Loreen. Alright, Katelyn, mag-goodbye ka na sa mga ano.
Bye. And don't forget to subscribe if you think I'm the winner, and like and do nothing if you think Katelyn is the winner, and like if you think I'm not the winner. Okay, bye.